What is up, everybody? I hope everyone's enjoying another new day. As you guys can probably tell, it's actually looking like a beautiful day out there from what I'm seeing through the blinds. But anyways, let's take it on. Yeah, I've been watching a little more Levi next about this whole 4B movement full of crazies. Personally, I think they're doing us a favor by choosing to. I think they were doing us they were basically, their threats were actually them saying they're going to be doing us a favor whether they realize it or not. I'm going to say that now. But one thing I'm definitely happy about. I no longer have to deal with my family. I no longer have to deal with my father, really. He was my main concern. He's the one I had the most issues with. Now, I've got a different home. And I'm going to try my very best to maintain this. I'm seeing more videos about that hotel collapse in Florida. The Hard Rock Hotel. That wasn't even finished yet. What's the vehicle going on? Sorry. This is an Amelia Hartford video, guys, and that's what's left of her uncle's house.
It's gonna be huge. Can you imagine?
All out in California. Los Angeles, California.
All the debris out. Getting everything out is gonna be.
I believe that's her aunt. Amelia's the one holding the camera.
Be careful of nails as we're
there she is.
this. Wow.
Hey.
Lord.
What I've heard is that a lot of people's insurance policies to cover for this were canceled right before those fires. So, and then there's the water shortage and the fact that they're allowing this, that they're not enforcing these laws they've set out tighter. And look what it's led to. There are so many people out there who have lost everything. And so I'm going to do this now. I'm going to call for people to start doing what they can to help. And I'm going to start doing what I can to help. No one is to do any less. Those of you who do, just prove your true. For the people that do, just know this. Those idiots have proven their true colors in doing so. So just let him self-destruct. While the rest of us are actually making an effort to make a difference in the world. Griffin. Oh, he'll jump over everything to get it. He has it. Oh, you got away. He's got it good. You want it? Gonna catch it? This cat is fun to play with. You gotta give him that. Oh, ooh, he got it. He got it good. Isn't that right, buddy? You got it good. There's Nessie over there by the trash can, looking under the couch. Griffin's right there. Holy crap, guys, it feels good out here. Wow. I did not expect that. 66 degrees, even though I should have been expecting it, because I've even said it myself. This is what the temperatures are reaching. That part is here.
No.
The VVT solenoid is here.
AC Joko. Take a look for it, guys. I have to replace this because I paid too less for it.
Yeah, you can definitely tell.
Genuine Chevrolet parts. Yeah, my truck is still running at 233,000. Built for tough.
243,000.
Oh yes. Built for tough. My butt. Ooh, take a sniff of that. That's a. Wow.
I barely smelt it. That genuine.
Yep, it's the right one. See right here? This is the, yours is the actual one. You see these rings right here? Aftermarket ones that's not this will usually have only this. You see what I mean? This will have this, the little springs. The aftermarket ones won't.
We need to get it in there.
Yeah, agree. Let me go get some shoes on. Pop the hood and get my toolkit out. Thank you.
We did it. We are finally It's finally here. Ooh, this is gonna be a tough part, guys. Ow. There we go. There's the motor of this truck. Fairly clean. And the part's gonna come in soon enough. Here's the first step of taking care of the VVT solenoid, guys. Disconnecting the battery.
Negative terminal only. Can't let it touch nothing.
And from there, we have to, this comes off, the wiring harness.
Oh, actually I already took care of that.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I just moved it out of the way. Don't take it off. Do not splice into it. Do not mess with it. Do not be an idiot like me. Just saying. Trust me, do not do what I do. I try to be smart about what I do, but yeah, no, I just said, dude, damn. And alright. Alright. This is where it's a pain in the ass. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna need a shorter 10 mil. This is what's always lost, guys. 10mm, long and short. Ask anybody. 10mm, 10mm. And make sure you guys always wash your hands and put stuff back. I know I'm one to talk, but trust me, it's true. And whatever you do, do not lose the daggone bolt. Once it's gone, poof, it's gone. That's the end of it.
That is bad. That is so bad. It smells so bad, guys.
It smells like pure, regular gasoline. I need to clip and put, that's right.
VVT solenoids in.
This is an old one. Always when you take some parts off, just in case, keep them.
This little guy?
Especially your clip. You lose that clip, you're fucked. Sorry everybody, I'm trying to do better with my cussing. It's my goal for this year. It's going to be one difficult year. I'll say that much.
I keep trying to tell him it's not really that big a deal, but he's picky about it.
Well. Holy shit.
Don't assume yet.
Let's see how it idles down. Come on, girl. That's right, slowly. Please let it work.
There's still a rough idle, but I don't think that's the solenoid.
It's just a coil. I can replace it.
We did it.
It's idling.
No more misfire. We did it.
We still need to replace the coil. Yeah,
We did it.
Yes! Sorry, Nanny.
Woo!
Hey, she's driving better.
She is driving better, but she's still misfiring.
We can take care of the coil.
Yeah, the misfire is not going to go away until that's done. And plus...
Oh, what was that?
My phone. Nothing serious.
Let's see how she does.
My proof of income...
She's holding idle!
That's what she needed, apparently. A quick drive.
Thank you. Lord, thank you. I'm still getting her cool.
Yes.
Yes, awesome.
I don't want to get her plate on camera.
Alright, look everybody. I'm waiting on a light. Look at the tag. It's still misfiring a little bit. Where we're going. We need to go, guys. Where are we going, Jimmy?
Where do you... Robbie, didn't you...
Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
There's another thing. We also need to get me to the
Yeah, I will. Yeah. I need to check on my job
interview.
too. Oh, this is so awesome!
Oh, guys.
We're going for the highway, so it's 23-minute, 15-mile.
Yeah, guys. We thought I was going to get this job at Rent a Center. Apparently, it was about a rental agreement that I don't recall applying for. I didn't apply for any rental agreements.
But the good thing is, it's not that big of a deal.
Yeah.
Honestly,
we're just going to apply for a job.
And then call them back.
Yeah, and I'm actually going to be yeah.
Now, right now I'm waiting on. I'm going to probably go back to delivering pizzas or work for Rent a Center, which one ever comes first. All right.
Yeah.
We need to. Yeah.
I put in my application for Rent a Center. And I just found out, oh, we require a driver's license, according to them. That's dumb. That's bullcrap. Because you're a customer service rep. You're there to sell the stuff, not deliver it. I'm sorry about this, guys. My lens was sticking again. So I'm going to say this. If something isn't done about this stupid consolidation crap, our president is going to have to get involved and put a stop to yet another woke culture mistake. This is not some little woke fantasy. It's the real world. These corporate folks need to get back in touch with what's going on. That chicken somehow get into their yard? No, he didn't. Thank God. I'm a little displeased with Rent-A-Center when it comes to the career side of it. When it comes to their customer service, top notch. It's top notch, I will say that. I've had nothing but pleasant experiences from them since the new manager got here. We just encountered another problem.
Hello, Bird. You're probably wondering why I hung up and blocked you. Yeah, I'm not going to make him do nothing. It's his channel. And I'm sorry, if you can't come to your senses, I'm not going to speak to you no more, and I will cut you off.
Nor will
This
I.
is not a threat, and it never will be. It's a promise. I want you to stop acting like Paul and get your shit straight. Maybe if you have, you would have found your place
This entire
to stay.
situation started over a communication issue.
And
they couldn't take it when I jumped on them about it.
now, the only thing I do agree is that they put me into the middle of it, and I had no choice but to say something. That I do agree with, actually. So you're not completely wrong.
Here's the part where you were wrong. This communication issue escalated because someone decided to claim that someone decided to leak the videos to them and basically
Lie or claim.
And basically my family decided to claim it all lies when what I said is what they did.
Oh no,
I did not make them seem like the assholes. I did not make myself seem like it. I stated what they did and how I responded.
After we got back into Old Blue last night, by the way, the food was freaking amazing. If y'all watched the last video. Before I picked him up from work, I let Anne-Marie know that, it'll be a little late bringing him back because, well, we were going looking around food stores. That is true. And I get this, Tuesday at 6:36 p.m. Or when I saw it, it was around, what, almost 10:30?
Yeah.
Yeah. Guys, if I'm off by a little bit, let me know. And he'll let me know. No, he is not welcome here anymore. After this text, you will be blocked. Am I doing it too much? Anybody that does acting or acting classes, let me know.
The way it's all caps, you're doing it exactly as she would.
I need a little more practice. I'm being funny. He had been warned. Somebody has found us from Jimmy's videos. I call bullshit. He has to shut everything down from all social media before he can come back. We need proof of all profiles closed. That means deleting his YouTube channel and his Facebook account and rebuilding everything from the ground up. First of all, Anne-Marie, I can't do it. But you can guess what the middle finger is for. I'm not actually doing that. Oh, wait. There we go.
Let's live long and prosper.
Well, I hope they do. These are good people. They care about you.
Yeah.
Seriously, I do hope you live long and prosper. In more ways than one, guys. Wait. No. There we go. I had it wrong. Now, here's the last part. If, and this is a big if, but it'll never happen. If he comes back, he will have to follow every rule we feel necessary.
Which means, guys, I will have no say, which basically makes it a freaking dictatorship.
And here's the dictatorship. Hey, Paul, if you're watching this is you. A dictator, Paul Andrew Spiller, and Anne-Marie Bollinger
Is someone who has absolute power or behaves as if they do by bossing everybody around.
And a government, a dictator is a I gotta slow down.
Don't need the government part.
Well,
That's the definition.
A dictator is a ruler who has total control over a country or everybody, to simplify it, with no checks and balances to prevent abuse of power. Paul Andrew Spiller can also describe someone who acts like that on a smaller scale. Sir, you are one. And I want his stuff out of storage immediately. Bird, you cannot tell me what to do.
You can't tell me what to do either.
This is our channel, freedom of speech. You don't like it, you can unsubscribe and look somewhere else. You have a good day, and it was nice knowing you. Us Capricorns don't take kindly to smack talking.
Now, to all my subscribers, thank you.
And same here.
I'm running a full active autowork exhaust for rubbers, wondering. I know someone's probably like, yo, what's his setup?
Hey, Griffin.
I'm running active autowork.
Yeah, buddy.
With their equal length.
This guy's driving around in a BMW M3 competition. No. Hold on. No. M4 competition. My mistake. Stage 2 tune. Stage 3 transmission tune. 900 horsepower. At the crank, guys. That's powerful.